My name is Freida Ackerman. My title currently is an Executive Admin Assistant. And how I found Laminate Works was my friend Chris worked there, and he said, "Hey Freida, I've got this place I'm working at. I really like it. I think you'll really like it." And I said, "Yeah, I'm on board." It was like 2 weeks and I was there, and it's just been crazy and wonderful ever since. They call me NASCAR because I tend to drive very, very fast. So when they want to get somewhere, they'll say, "Hey, let NASCAR drive." I've been with the company for 3 years, 3 months. The job I'm just now transitioning out of is accounting support, and that's, doing all the AR, AP, all the paperwork for all of that. And I love it, but I'm moving up, so that's pretty nice. I love everyone that I work with. Even if I feel like I get up and I feel like, oh, this is gonna be a bad day, it's always better at work. I was in the dunk tank last company picnic and I wore a tutu and I got dunked by a lot of people. It was fun, but it was kind of embarrassing. But it was great, it was awesome. I'm a reader. I'm a voracious reader. I'm currently reading 3 books. It's hard to choose which one to read. My library card is like my magic carpet and it takes me everywhere. I really like the food pack parties. They go really fast. They're a lot of fun. They're family friendly, so you can bring a lot of kids. It's just so much fun, banging the gong and singing along with the songs or dancing what we're doing. We're supplying meals, and it's for where we are, where it's in our areas. It's the needs that we have here in the Midwest. I really like what I do. I like the people I work with. We've got the right people, we've got the right community, we've got the right spirit. Once that automation stuff kicks in, we're just gonna go boom. Yeah, if someone said, "Freida, here's the money, go get you a 1-inch Laminate Works tattoo somewhere on your body," I would do it. I love the company I work for. It's great.